In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server. Before we begin, you'll need to be the owner of the server or have permission to add apps and bots. First, open Discord and select the server where you want to add the music bot. Now click on the server name in the top left corner. From the menu, scroll down and click on App Directory. In the search box, search for Green Bot. Once you find the bot, click on it and then select Add to Server. Choose the server you want to add the bot to and click Continue. Review the permissions and click Authorize. You may also need to complete a verification check before the bot is added. Once the process is complete, you'll see a success message confirming that the bot has been added to your server. Now return to your server. To start playing music, first join a voice channel. Then open any text channel where the bot can read commands. Type the play command, followed by the name of the song you want to play. For example, you can enter the command and then type the song title you want to listen to. The bot will search for the song and begin playing it in the voice channel. If you want to add more songs, simply use the play command again and enter another song title. The bot will add the new song to the queue and play it when the current track finishes. And that's how you can add a music bot to your Discord server and start listening to music with your friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tutorials.